This is an introductory video to show how every letter makes a sound. Once you're able to combine the sounds together, your child will be able to make words. M, monkey. M, monkey. E, egg. N, nose. T, turtle. S, sun. Z, zebra. C, cat. A, apple. V, Valentine. G, girl. F, fish. O, octopus. K, kite. U, umbrella. X, X-ray. J, jump rope. W, wagon. I, igloo. P, pig. H, house. B, basketball. L, leaf. D, dog. Q, queen. R, rainbow. Y, yo-yo. Now what's most important is that your child not add the sound onto different letters such as B, B, D, D, T, T. These letters have a very distinct sound that will help your child be more phonetically aware when it's time to sound out words. So just pay close attention to the sounds in this video to help your child learn their letters and sounds. Thank you.